Hello, come in, breaker, breaker. Got an old school donkey stomper. Actually, this is back in the day when I first started. X-Force was building these for us. X-Force ain't building us no boxes in like years. X-Force is out of business, but this is back when it was getting going. I don't know, 6 years ago or something. I just put two new transistors in it. Got it up and going. It's got two HG 2879s in it. I turned it off, let it straight through SWR start with. Worldwide, 0. Turned it on. Input SWR, worldwide. Get just a little bit, but not much. Hello, audio. 1000 watt PP. Worldwide, 390. Look over here, LP. Hello, audio, worldwide. Not bad. Kick it up on 80 watt radio. Worldwide. Coming live. Is this up going for you prepared? Just gonna do a quick little video to show you if everything else is working like it should. High, medium, low, on, off. Not a bad little box. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10, 0 and 8 Catch you later. Bye bye.